Well, that Indian connection, the Nataraj statue, but an Indian connection in the name as well. The Bose in Boson comes from well-known Indian physicist. In fact, many asked why he didn't get a Nobel Prize. Satyendra Bose, who studied in Kolkata, he was born in 1894, and in 1924, he sent a research paper to Albert Einstein. And impressed, Dr. Einstein personally invited him to work with him, and his research changed the way particle physics is studied. So that tribute to him, Higgs boson, the Bose in Boson, after Professor Satyendra Bose. Also with me tonight, showing again when I made the point that scientists around the world are celebrating a rare visit, Dr. R. Chidambaram, Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, who has been closely associated with this project and the Indian collaboration there. And also joining me tonight, live from Geneva, is Dr. Archana Sharma, an Indian physicist, a permanent staff member at CERN, and of course part of that team of 100 Indian scientists there, joined by, with our correspondent Nupur Tiwari. I'm also joined by Dr. Satyaki Bhattacharya, who is again a team in India who's worked at he's at the Saha Institute and has worked closely with the experiment there in Geneva as well. And Pallav Bagla, our consultant science editor, who again has visited CERN, and we saw that wonderful footage. You've actually been inside that collider, that tunnel out there. So a great panel here to answer all your questions. But let me go across first to Geneva and Nupur. The celebrations there for the scientific world, it's already been called the century's biggest achievement.
Absolutely, Sonia. You should have seen the number of people that had been waiting for this announcement to happen. A lot of people had to be asked to just go back because the room was packed full. And also, you know, when the scientists were actually talking about their data and their analysis, you know, their voices were trembling and they were breaking into giggles and so on. So clearly, there was a lot of excitement here. And I'm sure Dr. Sharma will tell you more about how it has all been building up so far. But clearly, yes, for the first time, in fact, at CERN, there has been this kind of confidence where they have said without any doubt that this is a discovery and a big one.
Dr. Sharma, describe to us the experience, because this has been a breakthrough which has been decades in happening. Describe to us the experience, and also for many viewers who have written in asking what is the fuss all about? Why is this in the scientific world almost like discovering God?
Well, certainly it's an amazing moment and a historic moment too for science, for physics, and for all of us here at CERN and back home in India as well. The big thing about it is that it's a groundbreaking moment. We could never imagine 40 years ago somebody postulating a theory and then 40 years down the line actually uncovering and finding the evidence for a particle that was postulated just by a mathematical equation. And this is a turn in the way we look at science. Just the way when we found out that the Earth could move, or that the apple could fall down, as Newton taught us, and like relativity made a lot of changes, quantum mechanics made the big impact in our understanding, and all of what we see today, all around paraphernalia relating to the scientific world in the impact for mankind, is a direct relation, is in direct relation to what we study. Therefore, we've opened new doors and unlocked new frontiers, which make us all feel very excited, very happy, very exhilarated, and in fact, a proud moment for us.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.